Hey, what's up everyone, Ollie here. So, finally got my AirTags. I've also got a few accessories. I kind of wish they did black, but I ended up getting the brown ones because the brown ones look cool. But I did get some Belkin ones as well. So, I got the leather keyring, and I got the leather loop, and I got the pack of 4 AirTags, AirTag, however you want to call them. I got a secure holder with a keyring. So this is Belkin's version of basically AirTag accessories. And then I also got a secure holder with strap. So yeah, I'm going to unbox them all, try out AirTags, pair it out with my phone and show you how it all works. Let's get into it. So let's move all of these out of the way so we can first start with the pack of AirTags. So this is a 4-pack. This goes for £99, $99, 99 euros, I think. I'll put prices up on the screen. But yeah, I got mine for £99. I think for the price that they are, they're quite a good value actually. You can get one for $29, but I think it makes sense to get a whole pack for $99 because you just get obviously a good discount. So let's get into it. So in the box, get some documentation, warranty information, things like that. Nothing too interesting to be honest. And then we get the 4 AirTags or AirTag. So first impressions actually, they're much bigger than I expected. Much bigger than I expected. It's actually quite surprising how big they are. We'll unpeel one. Like so. Yeah, you need to be on the latest version of iOS, they say, and you need to have it as near as possible to your iPhone. So let me get my iPhone out. So the way it works is once you take off that last little bit, it will attach the battery because it uses a coin cell battery, similar battery that you get in your watches. But yeah, once you take this out, it activates it. So let's do that. Makes a nice little sound, and there we are. We have a notification on our phone to pair up the AirTag, so we'll do that. Let's say backpack. Yeah, let's just say backpack. Use this iPhone. Yeah. Hide all of that information. Setting up Ollie's backpack. So there we are, we're paired and ready to go. So we can see that it's actually with me right now, it says with you. And we can also see some features, position finding. When AirTag is nearby, an arrow will indicate, will point to its precise location. You can play a sound, and of course you can view this AirTag on a map and use the Maps app to navigate to it. And now that we have the options here for the AirTag itself, we can see that it's nearby, it's with me, so it makes sense. We can press find, and it's right here. We can enable notifications when it's found nearby, but obviously because it's near me I can't enable that. We can play a sound. It's quite a light... Okay, stop that. It's quite a loud sound actually, like quite a bit loud. I wasn't expecting it to be this loud considering there's no visible speaker anywhere. The volume it gets to is quite impressive. We can also enable lost mode. So if we enable lost mode, we get a few options here. Notify when found. You will receive a notification when the location becomes available. Pairing lock. This item is linked to Apple ID so no one else can pair with it. And you can leave a number and message to be displayed for the person who finds this item. So if I press that, I can put phone number. I'll just put, fake phone number. Like so. And then you can see this item has been lost. Please call me, and your number is there. And yeah, activate it. And there we are. Now the item is in lost mode. And that's it. The setup process really is as simple as that. So the AirTag itself, like I said, is quite a bit bigger than I expected. It has a white finish to it. It almost looks like, it's going to sound crazy, but it looks like a chocolate button, something that I would eat. But yeah, to me it looks like a chocolate button. And on the bottom it has, you can see the reflections, but it has just the Apple logo. It says, ultra wideband. Oh, you can see me. Hello. Ultra wideband AirTag designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, Bluetooth LE, so Bluetooth low energy. So if you don't know how AirTags work exactly, they use the Find My network that all Apple products have. And the way it works is when you go to your Find My app and you enable something as lost, Basically, it will use all of the Apple devices that are around to try and locate your lost device. So you can imagine there are millions of iPhones, millions of Macs, iPads, lots of Apple devices all around the world. And all of these are sort of connecting to other Apple devices, and they all sort of talk with each other. And when something is lost, it will notify you of the location of that item. It will try and get as close as possible in terms of GPS location. And then once you're next to it, it will actually try and direct you to it. But that only works with the iPhone 11 and above, because you need the U1 chip in your iPhone to have the precise location tracking for the AirTag. Now let's get into some of the accessories. We'll first open up the leather keyring. So like I said, I really wish they did black. I really like my black accessories, just because I feel like they're a bit more muted, more minimalist. So the black accessory you can see is actually £35. I assume that's going to be like $35 and 35 euros. Not cheap, but it is a leather keyring. It's not going to be exactly a cheap feeling product. It is a leather product. Leather products in general are just more expensive. Once we get it out like so. Oh, I do like this. I do like the heft of it. It has quite a bit of heft to it. Definitely good quality for sure. Let's peel it off actually. Oh, okay. So we've got to get into it like this. Like so. And then we get the AirTag. I feel like I've probably already called them AirPods in this video, but I mean AirTag. We slip it in and we clip it in. There we are. That is your leather AirTag keyring. You can attach this to your keys. I mean, to be fair, you don't actually have to attach it to your keys. You can attach this to anything that will accept a keyring. Pretty nifty little accessory. Let's get into the next one, the leather loop. This leather loop is ideal for backpacks and suitcases, things like that. This one was £39, so probably $39 as well, and 39 euros in the US and in Europe. Let's open this one up. Oh, this one looks really nice. I really like the look of this one already. This one looks very nice. So again, made from leather, but yeah, really nice feeling product here. We'll get the AirTag out of this one. It's really stuck in here. Jesus. We open this up, slip it in. There we are, and it's clipped in. I mean, I can't see that coming out at all. That is not going to slip out unless someone physically unclips it like so. Yeah, that's not coming out. And then to actually wrap it around something, you do the following. So yeah, that can go around like a suitcase handle, backpack handle, whatever works for you. Another very useful AirTag accessory. We'll unloop this one, move it over to the side, bring over the secure holder strap. So this is basically Belkin's version of this, and it's also quite a bit cheaper at $11.95. We'll see how they compare. I mean, I don't expect this one to be as great quality as the leather loop, but if you don't want to spend the money on the leather loop, I think it makes sense to go for a cheap alternative like the Belkin one. So get this out. Oh, it comes in two parts like so. You also need to unstrap this part here. We'll get the AirPod. I keep calling it AirPod. I mean AirTag. We'll get the AirTag out of here. There we are. Move it over to the side. How does this work? So we just put it in like this, I guess. Put this on top. Oh, okay. So it's actually a swiveling mechanism. So like that. And then you, oh wait, no, that's not worked. How do we get this on then? Oh, there we go, we're in. And then we put it together. There we are. Pretty secure in there. This one is plastic, it's not metal. I mean, it sort of looked like metal at first when I got it, but it is plastic. You can hear that plasticness to it. And then we feed this through. There we are, yeah. I think that looks pretty good. Actually, no, you're not going to lose that, are you? Because once it's strapped like that, you shouldn't really lose it. And then you can tie this round something, I guess, and then loop it again to get another loop. Final accessory is the keyring. So this keyring again is $11.95, significantly cheaper than the leather one. But again, the leather one really does feel great. It feels like a high quality, expensive product. The leather ones are definitely the ones I'm going to use. But we'll open this one up anyway. Because I've got 4 AirTags, you know, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. It makes sense to have 4 sort of attachments for it, 4 accessories for it. So this part here is actually pretty much the same as that part there. It's literally exactly the same thing. So I'm not sure if I should even bother attaching it really, because it is just the same thing. It's exactly the same thing. All you get with this one is the metal keyring. Those are all the accessories, all of the AirTags that we have. Have a lot of stuff here. Yeah, pretty cool product. I'm looking forward to attaching these to all of my products, bags, backpacks, and anything else I can really attach it to. Most likely also my actual keys. But I've always liked having quite a compact key setup, so this will add a little bit of bulk. It would be nice if it was even smaller. I'm just surprised at how big it is, but at the same time it's got to take a user replaceable battery. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, testing out the AirTags, testing out all the accessories. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and subscribe for more.